Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Google accounts from our device. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your settings app on your phone, and then you have to find accounts and backup option, and it's right here. You just have to click on it, and then choose manage accounts. It's right here. And then if you want to remove your Google account, you just have to choose the Google account that you want to remove from your device, and you just have to click on the account. For example, I'm going to move this account, and then you have to click on remove account right here, and you have to click on remove account right here. Alright guys, that's how we can remove our Google accounts in our device, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.